In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in Canva. If you're working with audio for background music, images for your layouts, a CSV for charts and data, or a PDF you want to incorporate into your design, the process is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you know exactly what to expect. Start inside the specific project where you want to use your files. Opening the project first ensures anything you upload is immediately available right in that editor, so you don't have to go hunting for it later. Once your project is open, look to the top left of the editor and click File. This is where Canva keeps several document-related options, and the one you want is Upload Files. Go ahead and select that. A small upload menu will appear. From here, you have two simple choices. If you prefer browsing, click the area in the menu to open your computer's file picker, then navigate to the file or files you want. You can select a single item or multiple at once if that's faster for you. Canva will begin uploading immediately after you confirm your selection. You'll usually see a progress indicator so you can tell when each file is ready. If you like to drag and drop, open your computer's File Explorer or Finder, grab the files you need, and drop them directly onto that small upload area. As soon as you release, the upload starts. This method is especially handy when you're gathering assets from different folders or moving quickly between windows. A few practical tips to keep things smooth. Keep your browser window open and your internet connection stable while uploads complete, especially for larger audio tracks or multi-page PDFs. If a file doesn't upload, check that the format is supported and that the file size isn't unusually large. Renaming files clearly before uploading can save time when you're choosing assets inside your project. For CSV files, tidy column headers can help when you're building charts or tables. Common formats like JPG or PNG for images and MP3 for audio typically work well, and multi-page PDFs will import, so you can choose the pages you want in your design. Once the progress shows complete, your files will appear in your project's asset area, ready to use. From there, you can add them to your canvas just by clicking or dragging them in. And that's really it. Open your project, click File, choose Upload Files, and either pick your items or drag them in. You're ready to keep designing with everything in one place.